And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a Captain America style logo design. It basically has two elements, circles and a star. So let's use the ellipse tool, and I'm going to use this red color. You'll find that down here where the basic swatches are, and I hold shift and click on the X so that I don't have a stroke. Now you can right click on it and use duplicate. The shortcut for that is simply Ctrl D. Let me make that white, and now I hold Ctrl and Shift at the same time and size that down a little bit. I repeat the process, Ctrl D, I'll make it red, Ctrl D when I size that down. And once more, Ctrl D, I'll make it blue, and I size it down once more, holding Shift and Ctrl. And now all we need is the star on top, and we can use the polygon tool for that. Make sure you've got the star selected, and as corners we need 5. Hold Ctrl when you drag that and then rotate it until you've got one of these star corners on the top. And when you size it down, once again, hold Shift and Ctrl. Now select it all, go to Object, Align and Distribute. Last selected is a good one in the drop down, and then horizontal and vertical line, but you may have to realign that a little bit with the arrow keys, so I'll put it a little bit upwards. Just select it all, go to Object and Group, and here's your Captain America style logo design done in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.